The public address system in India is an essential tool for communication, especially in public spaces, government institutions, educational establishments, and during events or emergencies. These systems amplify sound to reach a larger audience effectively and are widely utilized in various scenarios. Government and civic use (PA) system are frequently employed by government bodies for public announcements, disseminating important information during emergencies, and managing crowds during events. They are vital in ensuring timely communication to the public during crises such as natural disasters. Educational institutions, schools and universities use PA system to make announcements, conduct assemblies, and manage large gatherings. These systems facilitate efficient communication across large campuses. Transportation hubs, airports, railway stations, and bus terminals in India rely on PA system to inform passengers about schedules, delays, and important safety instructions. This helps in maintaining order and ensuring the smooth operation of transport services. Events and gatherings, PA system are a staple in events like political rallies, religious gatherings, concerts, and sports events. They ensure that speakers and performers can reach large audiences clearly. Public safety and law enforcement. Police and other law enforcement agencies use PA system for crowd control, during traffic management, and in public safety operations to issue commands and provide guidance to the public.